Good morning and welcome to MIGHTYOX Trading. Happy Friday. I hope everyone's had a great night and ready for a great day. Market is red to get in the day. And Q's high 892, low 160. So over 700 points in range there. We're kind of popping up right now. So we'll see where we go. We do a University of Michigan sentiment today. That comes up at 10 o'clock. I believe that's our only news of the day, but give me a minute and I'll gander at that. Yeah, pretty much. We have had a 50-point bounce here in the last 7 minutes or so. Rising up here. It's a good pop. I love it when you call me Big Pop. Watching it as it rolls up. Roll Tide. Nice pop. Back up to 400. And about a span of 10 minutes, we bounced about 100 points. Where is everybody today? It says there's only one person here. Wow, look at that pop. Pulls down a little bit. Still trying to rise up here. Rise up. Oh, I just realized I'm not connected. Dang it. I'm going to miss this short because I didn't realize my ninja wasn't showing me live data. Luckily, the short didn't work anyway. I still don't have live data. What the heck's going on? Oh, there we go. Finally. Like, what? data. Are you guys hearing fan noise this time? Seeing the mic. Yeah, probably. Oh, were you guys not hearing me at all? Or did I just accidentally mute myself? Okay, I think we're okay. But you are hearing fan noise, aren't you? No, I wasn't picking up fan noise the other day. Let me know if it's too intrusive. Get all those wires. There goes my mouse. All right, there we go. Hey, hey, Sire, how you doing? Sire, do you hear fan noise on the stream? I think I took care of the fan noise. All right, Sire. Okay. Still rising up.
Order submitted.
Trying to short. We're gonna get stopped out.
Order filled.
We did? Yeah. And it wants to try us again, it looks like. See how the candle finishes. How the candle finishes, and so are the days of our lives. So make this chart look a little better after I enter this trade.
Order submitted.
Not the greatest candle, but hey, beggars can't be choosers, I guess. Dang it, doesn't want to go for me here. Where's everybody this morning? You're all asleep still, or what? Taking Friday off? It's next Friday we have off.
Order filled.
There we go. That's a target hit. 12 points.
That's a winner.
Here, down, down, down comes the burning ring of NQ. Should have taken the purple candle there. I didn't. That's okay. Still falling here. So we got as high as 450, and in about 5 minutes, we're down 60 points. So we're moving here. ATR says it's only 17, but feels larger. It'll pop back up. Hello, Kurt Nichols, and welcome to the stream. You mean like the signals I take? I should take? Is that what you mean?
Order submitted.
I mean, they're pretty accurate if I'm actually reading the chart right and staying out of the ones I should stay out of. But that takes some, that takes some discretion.
Order filled.
There we go. Target hit 387 to 379. That's a short target only because I'm getting the single bells there. So another nice win, though. Like yesterday, I had a bad day because I just kept misreading the entry when I for a reversal, and I tried like 3 times within 3 minutes, and it was just stupid. I got once it failed the first time, I shouldn't have tried again, and I just. Uh, no. Well, the blue and purple candles. Someone wrote that for me from Ninja Trader. I had that on one of my machines, but the stuff the shading you see in the background, the blues and the browns, that's not that's just trading view. That said, I could probably have Claude whip it up for NinjaTrader if I asked it to. Yeah, what you see is trading view. But I mean, I do all my charting and all my decisions off of trading view and just use NinjaTrader to actually execute the trade. Or whatever platform I'm using. I also have Top Step accounts, got Top Step X, etc. I don't chart on any other platform besides TradingView. And TradingView is the easiest one to show on stream too.
Hey everyone! It's time to gore the like button.
Let me get bounced back up here. I was gonna take this long. It kind of it was iffy for me, so I stayed on. Hey, Mr. G, TGIF to you as well. I wasn't trading back then, but I definitely remember dial-up internet. Wow, I remember no internet. Yep. Platt, good to see you. I was wondering where you've been. Oh yeah, with the long cords that got tangled. Oh, interesting, G. Wow, G. I would never use it, but that's interesting. How's your week been, Platt? I didn't get my first computer because I was very poor until Windows 98. I never had 3.1 or Windows 95. Oh, I agree, G. I mean, I hate that I give Musk $8 a month for my Twitter check mark, so I'm definitely not going to buy his phone service. There's a nice pop.
Order submitted.
Took so long. I'm going to go for the 9 EMA on the 5 if it comes back up for me, that is. So that's about 415. So going for about 11 points. Fortunately, it doesn't look like it wants to go. Yeah, I mean, I don't want a Neuralink. That said, I mean, if those Neuralink chips or whatever they're called can help people that have brain injuries or whatever, I'm all for that. But no, I'm not for.
Order
Ouch,
filled.
got stopped out. We're back to red on the day. That blue candle did not work. All right. Well, good luck on that, Platt. Wow, that literally stopped me out bottom tick. Now, okay, now it's going down further. But it did pop back up where it stopped me out bottom tick. It's falling. Still dropping here. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. So why did that blue candle? Honestly, that blue candle did fake me out. It's kind of like the 5 minute was showing wants to come down, the 1 minute was showing wants to go up. There was a bigger candle. I probably should have stayed out, and it kind of faked me out there.
Order submitted.
I just don't understand the need for all. I mean, yeah, they all are slightly different, but it's just like all of a sudden it's just blowing up. It's how soon does it get saturated? So I'm going to regret not taking profit there. Yep, it
Order
bounced off
filled.
the 9 and hit me. Dang it. I'm having a good couple of days. That's true. And we're continuing to come down. I should have taken the purple down. That's where I still need to get better. Yeah, that might get me sued, G. True. I was surprised to see how much it fell yesterday. It almost rose back up to where we started, and then we started falling again in Asia. Go check out Mr. G's YouTube channel, Winning Wall Street's Money. He just posted the link. Yeah, I saw that blow up 2 days ago. Micron. Hey, John. How are you today? It did 8 candles ago. Hold on, let me get to that chart and I'll show. So my sell signal would have been this purple candle right here, and I didn't take it. I should have. I sometimes I have a mind freeze for with trend trades. My mind wants to do reversals and not with trend trades. So this was my signal to go short for this move down. I'm doing all right. I'm still sweltering without air conditioning, but hanging in there, John. Well, actually, I mean it's not too bad yet. And I did order a portable AC for that'll be here tomorrow.
Order submitted.
There's a risky long that was right into the 9. It's got to break that 9 EMA. And we'll see if it can. If it does, I want 359-ish area, which is where the 9 is on the 5-minute chart. We'll put it at 355, so it's a little bit lower. So about 20 points is what we'll go for. Today they want it nice. They only wanted about 72 to 75. Sunday starts the heat wave of at least 7 straight days of 90-degree heat. Yeah, if it couldn't break that 9, that's why I said this was risky. Let's see if it comes back up and tries. try it again. I'm in Decatur, Illinois, or like right in the central part of Illinois. Yeah, and we're gonna bake next week. I'm sorry to hear that,
Order
SK.
filled.
And I got stopped out. I am not having a good day so far today, and did not have a good day yesterday. How you doing, Crypt? Thank you, John. That was that was just an amazing rip. That I mean, like you heard me scream like a girl. So you're where the sun tries to kill you like for 6 months out of the year. About 10 minutes till the top of the hour.
Order
I am really
submitted.
late in getting in on that trade. That things happen there. There we go. Now do we want 350? That'd be nice. Oh wow, that just missed my target by well about 3 points, I guess. But now it's going to come all the way back, isn't it? Dang it! Not sure what has caused that spike.
Order filled.
Wow. Yeah, I am not that I just got very unlucky there. Just really unlucky. It got within 2 ticks of my target on that spike up and then came all the way back. Nice. Script, very nice. Morning, Jay. I wasn't ready to take that trade. Let's see what it does. It's probably going to be the one that's going to work. Hey, Ron, how you doing? It's been a rough morning so far. If I miss this one, and this is the one that's going now. Murphy's Law. That would have been a beautiful trade. We're coming up to the top of the hour. Looks like it wanted to continue to pop there and just got beaten back down hard. It's hanging on 327. Trade at 5, my funded futures, Lucid, take profit trader. I know you asked for 3, but those 4 are, in my opinion, head and shoulders above the rest. I mean, while the rest are good that I promote, those 4 are the most solid in my opinion. Which reminds me about my funded futures. Right now they have a buy one, pass one on their rapid plans, the 25 and the 50K. It ends tonight. If you buy a 25 or a 50K rapid eval and you pass it, you don't have to pass it today. But when you pass it, you'll get one free. You're welcome, Ron. Excellent job. And look at that drop real quick here at the top of the hour. 23 points down. So it broke under 29,300. Trying to bounce here a little bit. It, struggling to get back to above 300. What, Eddie? What? My cat is currently holding me down, so I can't take trades. He's my risk manager, apparently. Oh, and now he just stepped on my belly. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to hit you in the face. Oh, wow. So are you just firing warning shots or?
Order submitted.
Hey, MR. Are you going to have to stop running in that area, Ace? I'm going to get stopped again.
Order filled.
Wow. I am not having a good couple of days. Jesus. Well, right now, my funded futures is running a pass one, get one free on their 25 and 50K rapid plans. That ends today. I always do
Order
50K,
submitted.
but it's a matter of preference. Some people like the smaller accounts because it's easier to reach goal, but you have less drawdown. So it's really up to you which you prefer in that context.
Order filled.
Wow, I give up. It's ridiculous. I wasn't, I was thinking, It doesn't sound like they're coming after you. It sounds like they're coming after your dog. So I was kind of, that's where I was concerned. Like, if one of them would grab your dog, could you get them before something bad happened? I guess is my question. And it is just questions. I'm not doubting you in any way. I know nothing about this kind of thing. I've never seen a coyote in real life. I know people like that too. Oh wait, we're dropping here pretty hard. Natural born killers.
Order submitted.
Would you get in trouble, Ace?
Order filled.
Took 13 points there, 13 and a half. Yeah. Still going. I thought about going for that 9 on the 5, but should have maybe. Yeah, Mott and MR. You brought two with you? Glad it was Mr. Smith and not Mrs. Smith. You wouldn't want to throw a pie at him. Ooh, that was a quick whip back down. We are heading toward the bell. Let me get my headset ready for when Ms. Melody arrives. If I can figure out. Oh, there it is. Wow, big drop. 50-point drop here. Big drop, real quick. All right. Ooh, wow. Holy crap. I'm sorry I did that without muting. Oh my God. I am so sorry. Wow. I never do that without muting the mic. I am so sorry, guys. Seriously. Hey, Jake. UAE issues phone alerts of potential missile threats. That's why we had that big drop. I think it might have just been my belch, but And we pop right back up like it never happened. And back up to 300. I don't know. Like I said, I don't actually use. I just use the data feed for Trade of Eight. I use Ninja Trader with the Trade of Eight data feed. Well, they did, which is why I use the Ninja Trader software with the Trade of Eight data feed. UAE sends an alert saying the situation is now safe. I like the Ninja Trader software much more than the Trade of Eight software, Jake. Good morning.
Good morning. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. How are you today?
Doing good. Doing good. It was a pretty busy week, so as much as I hate missing the charts, I'm looking forward to a relaxing weekend, but hoping to get one good day in on this beautiful Friday. How about you? How are you doing?
Uh, I'm losing again today for some reason, but hopefully we'll turn that around.
Ooh. Yeah, it seems like pre-market this week maybe wasn't as great, but then it usually turns around after the open, so here's to hoping. Which I think now we need to AI write a song called Hopin' at the Open.
That's awesome. Yes, absolutely.
Think of like a good country, a little twang, and it can be super unhinged.
And I think you need to turn on your screen share.
Yeah, I'd have to open OBS to do that.
Oh. Or you don't have
Uh,
to. uh,
I'm just a little running. My brain's running a little behind. It's all right.
it's understandable.
Hear me! 2 minutes to the opening bell. Prepare yourself! 2 minutes left.
And AI just gave me the song.
Amazing.
Oh, this is awesome. Yes. Morning, USC. Y'all know I ain't the greatest singer in the world. So let's let the market play out. Well, it's a 60-point candle down, and then I will try to sing this song, "Open at the Open." and back up. So our overnight high is way up there at 892, and then our overnight low is 160. By the way, we were talking toward the end of the stream yesterday, Melody, about getting all the way back up there, and it did almost get all the way back up, and then it crashed in Asia, back down.
I saw that I didn't get to trade the afternoon, and I was like, "Holy cow!" I I don't know. I mean, I never know why I'm surprised, but I did think that was crazy.
Oh wow! So big fall here, about 120 points over these last 2 minutes. We're now only about 60 points, 70 points away from the low day. It's trying to break 200 to the downside.
Order submitted.
Okay. I did not mean to do that,
Order filled.
but I think I took a win. It's only 3 points. I should have stayed in. Not sure how I just took that short, but okay. Darn, I really should have stayed in. I could have had an accidental nice win.
Weird.
Bouncing now, though. Big bounce. Didn't quite get down to the low of day, but it got close. 181. But now, huge bounce. Get back up to 349. Hey, no tail today so far. Did find Platt. He was here.
Oh, that's good.
Back down. I'm not really seeing anything I like here. Although both candles that were in the non-shaded area would have worked. So, but again, I kind of get a little frozen when our ATR shoots up to 50.
It just does it so fast too.
Yeah.
It's never like easing its way up to 50. It's like it's 20 and now it's 50.
Okay, guys, I have been invited, not sure why, to be a part of the Legends Trading Affiliate Cup next month. 32 Legends affiliates will be going in a one-on-one style tournament, single elimination, to win a $10,000 grand prize. It's being hosted by Legends Trading and Patrick Wheeland. But I got the email today inviting me, and I signed up. I don't know why, but I did.
Oh, because why not?
It's exposure.
I mean, a free chance at 10K.
Yeah.
I mean, you never know what could happen. I never turned down a free lottery ticket. Let's just say that.
Well, and there's possible prizes for the community too.
Yeah, exactly.
It's let's see. Let me find that. There it is. $10,000 in Legends accounts to give away to your audience.
Wow.
It'll start July 6th and 7th. Each round is 2 days. It's one-on-one highest P&L advances. It's only a $25,000 account. Max position size is 2 minis or 20 micros. Interesting rule is minimum of 5 trades per day. So you need at least 5 per day. I'm not, Sire, I'm not sure if I would be happy or frustrated or both if I actually won that, but yet have never taken an actual payout, and it'd be like, so this is what I've been doing all along, and all this other, and so yeah, but yeah.
I'm still stuck on 5 trades a day. Like to you and me, to me that doesn't sound bad, and I know to you it wouldn't either. But there's a lot of people that only take 2 or 3 a day.
Yeah, I know.
If even.
I mean, it's going to be interesting to see if. I guess. They didn't say that has to be a minimum of anything. So I guess people are normally only taking 1 or 2 a day. Then they can just do a quick micro in and out. I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. That's. I mean, if I had a good day, that's what I would do.
Yeah, I read that twice because I expected to see a maximum of 5 a day. Like, that would make more sense than a minimum, in my opinion. Everyone has 5 trades to do the best they can, but yeah. I guess the good thing about Patrick hosting it is meaning he will not be participating.
Order filled.
That's good. I was surprised he allowed micros.
Yeah, well, it's not CFT.
That's true. That's true.
And I know CFT won't be in this because he's not a Legends affiliate. Oh God! What the heck did I just
Order
do?
filled.
Well, that worked out. I think. What did I do? Wait, hold on.
Are your hotkeys just running on their own today?
Okay, so well, actually, I had the Street Deck to the side. I was actually using the mouse, but I took an NQ trade instead of an MNQ trade on one take profit trader funded account, and I got 19 points. But I started freaking out when I realized I was in with a mini instead of a micro. But that account's
Yeah,
green. That account's green now.
nice. I mean, we'll take it. We'll take a happy accident.
Wow, wish I would have not freaked out and stayed in that trade. Wow. Okay. Make sure only the MNQ chart is at the top of my screen. Wow, 100-point 1 minute candle here. Or 96 points technically. Just wildness and for no reason.
I'll just say quick update on my charts. Still running it automated. I did change the Renko setting. There's a 35-10 Renkos, which are better for overnights. If I had read and watched the videos correctly, would know that. So it was a little quick, and that's probably why it was so crazy during the session. So this is a 64-16. And then the trade-off is you go for 10 points instead of 5, which again makes a lot of sense because 5 points on NQ is a sniffle, not even
Yeah.
a sneeze. So this is hopefully going to be a little bit better. It's still pretty busy, I see.
Yeah.
But fewer trades, fewer commissions is the hope. And then 10 points, maybe get a little bit more. And I added a runner. I physically couldn't watch it run without a runner. So
I think that's a good idea.
put that back.
After the news at the top of the hour, University of Michigan sentiment. Oh, wow. And now we whip back down by almost 100 points. Then I will sing our country song, Open at the Open.
Yes.
All right, Ace. Glad to hear that. One day you're going to walk into the war room. There's going to be two coyotes sitting there. They're going to say, "Hello, Ace. We've been expecting you."
Order submitted.
This might be a stupid trade. This might be a very stupid trade.
Order
It was
filled.
a very stupid trade.
Order submitted. Target filled.
There we go. 34 points back. 95 to 29.
Nice.
So your automated thing there is green so far, Melody?
This, yep. I've got it on this highlighted one.
Okay.
That's
That's
the one
what I
that's
thought.
running.
Yeah.
And it's doing pretty good. Obviously, what I notice is the losses hit a lot harder than the wins because it's still running on an almost 2-to-1 risk to reward. But it's tweaked a little bit with that runner because then it'll hit 2. I think I have it running on. I think I have it running on 3 micros. Yeah. So it'll hit 2 at the 10 point and then run 1, but that stop comes up with it too. So even if the last one stops out, it's still like helpful towards the risk reward. I don't know. I'd have to do all the math with the runner and stuff, and I did not. But
Have you thought about testing it with a 1-to-1 instead of that 1-to-2?
I think that's probably next on the list, especially with this 64-16. like on the other one, running 5 points, stops and targets, like I couldn't even function watching that
Right.
on an NQ chart, you know. So I didn't think about it with that, but with the 10 points, maybe, and then I'd actually probably just stretch it and see how close to 20 I could get, or run it based on ATR kind of thing. Like
Yeah.
when your 1 minute ATR is 50 to 100, like 10 points is not enough wiggle room. But yes, I do think trying a 1-to-1 should be on my list of things for sure.
All right, we're about 6 minutes away from University of Michigan sentiment. Morning, Skeletor. My COO is already threatening to turn my singing into a short.
Wonderful.
Hanging around 300, can't really escape it. High since the open, which is the top of our orb, 371, which came 1 minute after the open. Low so far was 181. That all happened within 4 minutes. So we had a 190 point range in the first 4 minutes, and that's we haven't broken either side of that since.
That's crazy. I wonder if because so that means like the 5 and the 15-minute orb are the same.
Oh yeah, that's a
And
good point.
really,
Yeah.
really every orb after that technically, but it's interesting. I wonder if that makes the levels seem like they're more like heavily traded, I guess.
That's something to study on for when that happens.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a
Okay.
pop.
It's a good bump.
Okay, that broke that top of that orb. Wow. All righty then. 90 point move.
Ooh,
Still going.
but
250-point move in about 23 minutes. Which sounds huge, but yesterday we did a 220 something candle in 5 minutes. So University of Michigan sentiment coming up in about 90 seconds.
Extra read all about it. News in a few minutes.
Damn it, Ace! I can't even make AI's videos about any of this because no, well, maybe Grok would allow me to use it, but like my other video generating won't allow me to do anything with guns. University of Michigan sentiment. 49.5 forecast was 50, so I missed it by a bit. And we boom up to 520. The market's ripping. Still rising. 525 now. We reject down about 50 points real quick. mountains. All right, guys, for those of you that might not have been here a little bit earlier, Melody said open at the open and then said we should get AI to write us song lyrics for that in a country song type format, which I then did. So now I'm going to attempt to sing said lyrics. Disclaimer, if I cause anybody's ears to bleed, it's not my fault. You've been warned. Wait a minute. Okay, let's hold on a minute because my data stopped. I was just going to take this short and my charts aren't moving. So excuse me while I reconnect before I do that. I'm having a lot of issues today. There, okay, there we go. All right, save me a loss there anyway. Good, Jake, good. All right, here's hoping at the open. Actually, let me get a drink first. Okay, find a drink. No, that's not it. Oh, alarm clock rings about 5:45. Coffee brewing, gotta get my fix. Charts are glowing like a Friday night. Got my lucky boots and my future's in sight. Got ES dancing and Q's on fire. Every green candle takes me a little bit higher. Dogs on the porch, rooster starts a crowing. 5 minutes till the bell gets going. Heart starts racing, finger on the mouse. Ain't nobody talking in the whole dang house. Everybody knows when that countdown drops. Anything can happen when the market pops. Hoping for the open, praying for a run, looking for a trend and loaded up with fun. Green lights flashing, let the profits flow. Ride it like a tractor down an old dirt road. No revenge trading, no FOMO today. Sticking to my plan, let the winners play. When that opening bell starts a rocking and a rolling, you'll find this trader hoping at the open. Sometimes she's sweeter than a peach copper pie. Sometimes she's humble. Sometimes she'll humble you before 9:05. One stop loss ain't the end of the day. Dust off your boots and trade your own way. Buddy texts me, man, did you catch that move? Said not today, but I kept my groove. Slow and steady keeps the bankroll growing. That's the country way of trading I've been knowing. Some folks gamble, some folks guess. I wait for my setup, I don't chase a mess. One good trade can make your week. Patience is the edge that everybody seeks. I'm hoping at the open, watch your candles climb. Thankful for another shot every single time. Green on the screen and a smile on my face. Just another cowboy in the future's race. When the closing bell finally says we're done, we'll laugh about the losers and celebrate the wins. Tomorrow morning, I'll be right back strolling, hoping at the open.
If I had an applause, I would do it right now. That was incredible.
Well, thank you.
Oh man, that was so good.
That was Skeletor. I can't take any credit for those lyrics. That was all ChatGPT. All I did was give it the title, and Melody came up with the title. um, I don't think anybody wants me to do that again. You can play it back though. Well, technically, sire, it was recorded, but I have told Tiffany that we need to find someone that can actually sing. We're still rising here, getting close to 600. Wow, Teo. I'm trying to think of what that would sound like. It's not all he has in your shower, Ace. Tiffany also said I should tell ChatGPT to do it in a rap style and see what it gives me.
That could be fun.
Yeah, Ace? Oh my god, are you serious? Yep, tell them orange juice is definitely the way to go. Ace.
Wow.
What happened, MR? That's weird. I've never had an issue with them, and I've spent a lot of money with them, unfortunately. I did get ChatGPT to do a rap version, and it actually remembered that I'm Mighty Ox Trading and included Mighty Ox in the lyrics.
Oh, that's clever.
And I didn't ask it to, which is both cool and creepy. Wow, Ace. All right, I check that out. I have played with it a little bit in the past, Jay. I'll have to play with it again. Eddie, do you want to sing? John Deere Green. You're right, it would be, Jay. Hanging just below 29,600. Don't shoot the computer if you lose, Ace. MR, sounds like you're not having a very good week. He doesn't want to shoot them if he doesn't have to.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Have you tried asking them nicely to stop? Hey, tastes.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Damn. Okay. That flew up. Wow.
Oof.
I guess I got to remind us that 25,892 is the high a day. We're about still a little over 200 points away, but that this is a 105-point candle right now. I'll put it up, Mace, as soon as I remember how on this new computer.
Order submitted.
Morning, Hassan. You missed me singing a whole song. I think they're saying that the pit could take the coyote in a fight.
Order filled.
There we go. Damn. Now, Okay, guys, I'm gonna try and show Ace's dog, but I have no idea what's gonna happen because I haven't tested this since I'm on the new system.
Aw. Aw, precious. Got a little fluffy tail. That's cute.
Oops. Sorry, didn't mean to ring the bell. You're welcome, Ace. Thanks for sharing. Don't you have like 18 dogs, MR? Oh, wait. You sent another. Oh, okay. You sent it twice, Ace. I thought you sent a second picture. Q bounces back up. I'm gonna be muted for a minute. All right, I'm back. Can I help you with any treat? About an hour till London closes, and I don't know. This price action just do not like it. Do not like it, Sam. I am.
Yeah, real choppy here, which has not fared well with the indicator that's supposed to be for choppy markets. So we'll see how it continues.
See you next week, MR. Reading the chat and trying to figure out exactly what people are talking about is confusing right now.
I think that debating the difference between wheat and grass and all of the wonderful ways you can use those words.
Nice
And I
work,
think
Rick.
this started. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey. You know, my funded futures, that's like the one that I have I don't know, they're my kryptonite for some reason. I just trade the worst ever when I'm trading them.
I think we all have that kind of, well, our inner trade used to be my kryptonite. I finally passed one after many, many
Nice.
tries.
Nice.
Are you going with MR, Ace? Yeah, yeah. Absolutely. Have yourself a great weekend. Try not to get yourself eaten by a coyote over the weekend, please. Coming back down. And we're almost back down to 500. Following we are. Actually, Crypticon, what you're seeing today on Melody's chart is an automated script, and so yes, it's taking a buy and sell at each signal, buy or sell. It's not hedging.
Yeah.
Well, a rather large pop. About 120 pop here in the last 2 minutes. Crypt, she just started testing this. I don't think she's willing to start marketing it yet.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean, part of it is just like I mean, I built it with Claude, so if you want to explore that, you definitely can. Otherwise, I mean, obviously, if I get this, if I test it and it works and it's great, I'd share it. But yeah, don't feel comfortable doing that yet, just because I don't want anyone to crash their whole system, which I'm always scared of doing. So always an advocate for the wonders of Claude, though.
When she does get ready to sell it, it'll come with one free MP3 of me singing "Hoping" for the at the open.
Absolutely, yes, it will.
SpaceX is going to be added to the Russell 1000 after Friday's close.
Wow.
So wait,
Oh,
now we trade the futures is the Russell 2000. I didn't know there were different Russells.
I guess I didn't either.
Order filled. Order filled.
I took an 11-point trade on a whole bunch of accounts.
Nice.
Could have had more. Excellent, sire. Great work. Seems like you're finding a groove. Nice rise back up. We are a bit slower today. Our ATR is only 40. Let's see if this brings anything down. Oman has warned European allies that ship fees likely be needed for Hormuz. 197, sire? That reminds me. JJR. I don't think we've seen JJR now in 2 days. And down we come. Again, that was a shaded area, and I didn't take the trade. Or an unshaded area, sorry. Yep. Yeah. By the way, guys, everyone, congratulate Sire on his first ever prop firm payout. He got a payout from Phoenix Trader Funding.
Congrats, man. That's awesome. That's so awesome. Again, if I had applause, I would send it your way.
I need to add an applause sound to this stream deck. That's a good point.
Yes, so you can applaud your own singing, please. But yes.
Down we come. Yeah, that's the thing about trading. You do learn a lot about yourself. No one tells you that, or usually when you first start this journey, that how it's going to be self-discovery in the process. So, Ron, here's the system for 100% success rate. You buy ES or NQ, whichever one you want, and you put your stop loss at 0. At the very, so because technically the markets always go up, So, I mean, now this is a swing trade, and you might need millions of dollars in margin, but eventually it will go into profit.
I mean, you're not wrong.
Unless there's nuclear war, then we're all screwed anyway. uh, just,
Order submitted.
just to be clear, this is not financial advice.
Order filled.
Oh, damn it. All those accounts are red too. Hey, Jake. Oh, no. Oh, it's right there. And right back up. We're chopping on the 90 in May as we get ready to hit the top of the hour.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, got 15 points back there. Back in the green by $1 to $2 on all those apexes.
Nice.
Jake has a question for you.
The auto strategy, it's actually the indicator, same one, simple market metrics. I've been using it on the range chart and now I'm using it on a Renko chart. And the Renko charts are supposed to be specifically for choppy markets, but I'm just kind of testing them in everything. And in order to, I'm auto trading it. I just coded up a thing that will automatically trade based on the signals. So indicator signals, strategies, trading those, and we're just kind of seeing how it goes. I have it on sim. It's on a sim paper. It's not even on, I don't even have it on an eval. It's just on paper trading for now.
About 25 minutes until London closes. Jake has a follow-up question for you.
I did not make the indicator. No. This is one I purchased. It's relatively cheap and I think you can get it on Gumroad. The guy's also on YouTube. I think it's called My Future Success. They trade a lot, so you can definitely, I mean, they show how everything works, so you can kind of see it that way too.
Gum sounds sticky.
It really does. So the bot I built actually is just for anything. So what it does is you link up whatever the signal's called. So like if I were to click on this tag says signal and then the bar number. But this tag called signal, sometimes it'll say buy or sell, sometimes it'll say long or short. It's depending on how whatever your indicator calls it. So this one says signal, so I wire up the strategy to fire based off signal being printed on the chart. And so far it's working. It's a little, I don't know. There's probably a lot of different indicators I should try it with just to see how it works with different indicators. I've only tried it with this one so far. But yeah, it's just the indicator signals whenever they print on the chart that notifies the strategy to trade for it. And yeah, like I said, so far it's working, but I have not. I'm so early in testing. Yes, when I found out that you could do this, I was like, why don't we all do this? Mostly because building strategies in NinjaTrader, I've never had one like actually really fully work when I'm trying to like translate the indicator into a strategy. There's just always something that gets lost in translation. So it's nice to be able to cut out that middleman and add in a different middleman, but still, we'll see.
Hey everyone! It's time to gore the like button.
Topping back up. I don't know. This felt like a choppy day, and just not a lot of good signals.
I agree. I mean, like, obviously not for the signals that are trading here, but even for my own, like, it just moved really early. Like early on, right away,
Yeah.
it moved a lot and then just kind of stalled. And I think it's still moving. Like, it's just one of those days. Range traders are probably doing decent. They've had a couple good hits there. But if you look at the 5-minute chart, there's like one big candle and the rest is just wick for the last hour and a half. Well, I guess.
Reminder that next week is only a 4-day week. No trading on Friday. But I did look at the schedule. We were wondering how they were going to do non-farm payrolls because that's normally the first Friday of the month. They moved that up. So we're going to have jobless claims and non-farm payrolls on the same day at the same time on Thursday.
Wow. Wow. And it's a Thursday that I bet a lot of people, New York Stock Exchange wise, take off.
Yeah.
Crazy.
heat wave starting here on Sunday. Luckily, I have a portable air conditioner arriving tomorrow to help until my whole house one can be fixed.
Good. Mm.
Just hope it's not too loud that it's going to be a problem when I'm streaming and recording.
Mm. I don't know. I feel like mics are pretty good about filtering that out these days. Hopefully.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I have a fan blowing on me that is literally 18 inches from the mic, and as long as I don't have the mic actually turned toward it, it's not picking it up.
Nice.
Order submitted.
All right, so we're gonna finish with the loss. Looks like I only got 15 minutes. I can get at least another loss in there.
Order filled.
Dang, nothing working today at all. Well, apparently, Tradeify is launching a platform trading platform. They just announced it. It's join the waitlist. A new trading platform built for control and speed. Arc9.
I am also looking at it. I don't know how it looks different than anything else, but it looks pretty.
I mean, again, it looks like it's built on TradingView.
Yeah. Well, that's because anyone has access to do that,
Right.
technically, if
But
you pay for it.
you can't use any of the indicators besides the built-in one. Like there's no community indicators and all that.
Exactly. Yeah, which is why I'm like, Tradeovate, I understand is not trading view, but isn't it decently close? And then you do have all of your community options for indicators. It's tougher. It's not the same as PineScript.
Right. I don't know. I prefer the days when you have like 5 options and not like every prop firm now has their own platform. Like again, this is something Top Step started now, and everybody's kind of trying to do the same thing.
Yep.
Now,
Well,
hopefully,
and
okay. Sorry.
if you make your own platform, you can make your own copier, and then it's a double hit.
Yeah, I'm just hoping that I don't think Tradeify will
Order submitted.
follow what Top Step did and get rid of Tradeovate, but that is the other. Like I wouldn't care if Top Step X had Top Step X when they got rid of Tradeovate, but give traders the option to pick which one they want to use.
Order filled.
There we go. Actually got a 34-point win there.
Hey, nice. It's a big one. If I had to predict what will happen with these platforms, I would say almost every prop will eventually have their own. and then it'll start some sort of loyalty battle where, because I mean, I physically can't trade more than 2 or 3 props if I have different platforms for
Right.
them. You know what I mean? Because I use NinjaTrader, so if I don't use that and I have 1 or 2 other things open, like that's definitely the most I could do. Which loyalty is ultimately what I would imagine most props want. They want you to stick with them and only them and give them all your money. So it makes sense. I mean, business wise, all of this makes sense. I just hope that they don't, like you said, go the full way of Top Step and cut everything else out because that'll just make it really tough for traders like me anyway.
And I just remembered the fact that Tradeify has plans to open their own brokerage too.
Sure.
So they could be trying to do what Top Step's doing there, and where on their brokerage it's only going to be that platform, which makes sense because NinjaTrader has their own brokerage, so
Yeah.
you can't use Ninja on someone else's brokerage. So
Yeah. It could get crazy in the next 6 to 12 months. That's for sure.
honestly, this industry's been kind of crazy ever since Apex launched. Yeah. It was calm back until Liu pissed off Daryl Martin.
Oh man.
Trying to grind up here. Today we couldn't even say it was a grind in the London close because the grind started way before the last half hour.
Yeah, that's so true.
How's everybody finishing the week this week? Yeah, break even's better than red. I'm glad to hear that, Jake. Yeah, you'll get futures. Just give it a little time. Awesome, Jake. Other Jake. Yeah, it takes a while to learn new software, Jake. Awesome. Glad to hear that, uh, other Jake.
Also, Jake.
Also, Jake. We got 10 people here right now. 20% of them are Jakes. If USC changes their name to USC Jake, I quit. All right, we got 5 minutes to go. And that's little rise up here kind of snuck up on us, this rise up. But over the past 10 minutes, it has risen, holy cow, 150 points.
Wow.
At
See,
10:16 Central, it hit a low of 416, and it's at 578 now.
wow. This time it didn't feel like that.
No, not at all. I was shocked.
Wild. Yeah, I didn't really realize if we have any initial balance traders left in the chat. They had a good. The initial balance just rejected off the middle before it started this. I mean, like that's essentially what started the move. So if you caught that, good job. I didn't. It's on my chart. I see it. Didn't trade it. One of those days.
Also, it looks like it also pretty much bounced off VWAP too.
Yeah. Yeah, it did. Should probably put those on the same chart. I should. Got them on two different ones.
I've been playing with VWAP just a bit with the VWAP bands, just because I keep hearing Rod Casilli talking about them. So I decided to finally look at them. There'll be some interesting things there.
Yeah. I know I like them, and if I ever get into a mean reversion type of trading strategy, like I'm pretty sure I would use VWAP for that. But I also, yeah, those bands come in handy sometimes, for sure.
The only thing I don't like about it is how it presents on TradingView. Let me show, since I find the chart that's actually showing there. So if I add VWAP, it does it with the orb too, which is why I turned the orb off. This. Where's indicators? There they are. So, view up. Add it. So that's what it looks like with it, and then without it, you can see how it scrunches the chart up like that, and then it does. The candles don't look as like robust, especially if you start adding more bands. So if I added a second band multiplier, and Casilli uses the 2 as his main thing, you can see how small then the candles get compared to without it. And thus it makes the candles look smaller, and it just throws me off. See how?
Yeah, because it auto scales it in,
Right.
which you don't need. Let me see because I use a different one. It's still free, but it's just a little different because it changes the slope of the VWAP changes color is the only reason I like it. But let me see if it does that on my charts too.
Have a great weekend, USC. We'll see you on Monday.
Okay. Yeah, the one I used also does auto scale it.
Yeah, see, Orb does the same thing. You can see. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. Look at this rise as London closes.
So they were holding us down.
Those damn Europeans.
I know. It's crazy. Well, what a week. I mean, a lot of like very different than the last couple weeks we've been having, but still plenty of action. So had a good time. Hopefully everybody else had a good week too, and you have a great weekend. You know, don't trade too hard into the weekend. You can always take the rest of the day off if you need to. So yeah, everybody have a great one. We'll be back bright and early Monday.
Absolutely. Have a great weekend, everybody. And we will see you here on Monday. Bye.